Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy and project number 3 from the June 2022 paper pumpkin kit called Pick of the Crop. So this one, we need this really fun card base. We need the strawberry and blueberry off to the side. We need a greeting tag there and vellum to go with it. We need the greeting that says love you a whole bunch, as well as our stamp spot. We need a 6-inch piece of the linen thread, and we're going to tie that in a bow. So step 1 says stamp the greeting. So let's go ahead and get that inked up and stamped. I'm just going to move some things around. So we'll ink this up. And again, I'm just going to grab my scrap piece of paper, stamp it away once, and that looks good. Okay, so let's ink this up again. Make sure we've got lots and lots of ink on there. And then we're going to place this down in this plant pick. There we go. Love you a whole bunch. Now, step 2 says, we need this. There we go. Not entirely sure where we're putting this down. Maybe like this. And we're dimensionalizing it. So we're making these strawberries and blueberries pop right out of the basket. So let's go ahead and do that. I need this strawberry and blueberry, and I need my dimensionals. So we're going to add those on. I need 1 dimension or 2 dimensionals actually on this one. And then I need 3 dimensionals across here. So let's add those on. All right, we are going to add these pieces on. 2 and 3. And this comes just over the edge just a little bit, like that. So we've dimensionalized some of the fruit on there, and we're going to dimensionalize the pieces at the bottom as well. So this goes on like this. Okay, all right. So the next step, it says, is to take this and put 2 adhesive spots on the back like that. And we attach it to the plant pick on the vellum. So we're just going to pop that on like that. I don't know if you can see, it's got the vellum around it. And then we have to do this bow. And you know what I'm going to do to make it just a little bit easier for myself is I'm going to put a adhesive dot on the back like that, so that I can put my linen thread on it. And I'm sorry, I'm just having a look to see. It doesn't look like they've actually tied it in a bow. It looks like they've just crossed it over at the front, but it would have to be a bow. So I'm going to just attach this to the back like that. I have more linen thread than they called for. I cut a longer piece just so to make it easier for myself, because this is going to be kind of fun to try and tie the bow on. So we're going to just get the start of the bow. Okay, this has no weight to it, so it's a little bit more difficult to do. I wonder almost if attaching it down first would make it easier, but let's just see what happens. We're going to get the bow going on here. And again, more than one time is required for me to make a bow. So there we go. Just going to pull that in like that. And I've tried all kinds of different ways to tie bows when I'm doing this. I've tried the bunny ear method. I've tried just tying it normally, and it all just seems to be difficult for me. Okay, so we've got the bow on like that, And I'm just going to trim that one long tail off. So there we go. And then I need to put dimensionals on this. So I am going to pop 2 dimensionals on the back of the plant pick here. Okay, and it actually slides underneath here like this. And there we go. And that is the 3rd card made. Don't mind the wonky bow. So thank you for watching the project in the kit. Stay tuned for some outside the box or alternate cards. I'll have one more today, and then I'll post one alternate card each day this week through Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll create together again soon.